Okay, hear me out. Those cute little banners you see all over social media, you can make it with the help of Canva, a projector, and some art supplies. Grab yourself a Canva account and design it around your theme. You can see ours was a wonderful morning. I ended up changing this to a wonderful day. Stay to the end because the more I worked on this, I really changed it up because I wasn't feeling it and it looks completely different. And I'll also share with you the decorations that we used for the party. I added a pop of color that is amazing, and honestly it just changed it completely. The game changer of projecting it on the wall is you get to keep your letters straight. That's probably the hardest part, keeping everything straight and fluid for me. But as you can see, I got the outlines, got the words done, and me and my family just had fun making it our own. I had a vision of making this kind of like wildflowers, vases all over our living room, and just a really cute brunch style party. So we put together these cute little giveaway vases that everyone was able to walk away with a vase and have a little memento from her first birthday party, which I feel like was a big hit. Look at that pop of blue. I am so glad that I added this because it really transformed this whole banner. Don't be afraid to go away from the template you made and really make it your own. I continue to add little details to the flowers that really help tie it into all of our other decorations. So get those creativity juices flowing and forge something beautiful. Here's the final reveal of the party, and I'm obsessed. It turned out super cute. It was such a sweet day. There's the waffle bar with the flower vases that we made, and it all just tied together so cute, and I'm super happy with it. It honestly was such a wonderful day. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments, are you gonna paint your child's next birthday banner?